Hi, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway. We're about to call the winner of the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. He doesn't know it yet, but he just won over 400 specially selected tools courtesy of Napa Auto Parts. We're about to give him a call. We want you to watch and to listen. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi, Dennis, please.
This is Dennis.
Hey, Dennis, Chris Phillip. I'm Director of Communications here at Dream Giveaway. Dennis, you had made some donations earlier this year. In fact, on December 29th, you made a donation to help out some great charities, and you got some entries to win an Ultimate Toolkit. And today, our customer service team had brought me over one of your tickets for the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway, and there happens to be an issue with one of the tickets. Are you sitting down, Dennis?
Sure.
Okay. Well, get ready for this. You're the winner of the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. Let's give him a round of applause. Dennis, you just won over 400 tools specially selected by the good guys over at Napa Auto Parts to star in the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. Tell us about yourself.
I'm a former Navy pilot when I was young and foolish, and then I went to work for the government, retired to Florida, St. Petersburg. I just recently bought a Corvette. I've owned Corvettes throughout the years, so.
Well, that's great. So you didn't hold off and wait for the C8 Corvette, huh? You bought yourself a C7?
I think the mid-engine is going to be a while away for me. Yeah.
So here's what's in the package that you won. There's a Homax 72-inch rolling cabinet. There's also a Homax rolling cart. There's over 400 hand tools from Carlisle, which is one of the divisions of Napa. There's a DeWalt power tool kit in there. There is a 3-ton service jack. There are some jack stands. There's a 200 amp rollable battery charger. And it is an incredible selection of tools, and we're going to ask you to join us here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm sure you know where that's at.
Sure. Mm-hmm.
And have you come on over here to collect the grand prize for the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. So tell us, Dennis, I always ask this question, did you enter this giveaway to help out the great charities, or did you enter to win the prize?
A little bit of each. I thought this was a good excuse to do some help, and if I win some, I didn't expect to win at all, of course, but you know that's and today is my birthday.
Yay! Well, I'll tell you what, the universe must be on your side today, Dennis. And thank you for your service to our country, of course.
Thank you.
And let me mention the great charities that you helped out with your generous donation, including New Beginning Children's Homes, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, Detroit Rescue Mission, National Guard Educational Foundation, Bright Pink, Smile Network, and Honor Flight of West Central Florida. I'm sure you're familiar with Honor Flight.
Well, my wife volunteers at Honor Flight.
Excellent. So you know the good folks over there. Dennis, are you anywhere near your computer?
Sure.
Okay, great. Do you mind going over to www.dreamgiveaway.com?
Sure, just a second here.
So right up there underneath the header, you will see 2018 Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway winner announced. Click here. I'm going to ask you to click there.
Okay.
And Dennis, whose name is there as a grand prize winner?
Wow.
Great. So tell us a little bit more about yourself. Were you a career man in the Navy?
Well, I spent 8 years as an aviator, flew A-4 Skyhawks, and then went out, flew commercially for, I started to fly commercially, and then the FBI hired a whole class of pilots for agents. So I went in the FBI in '73 and retired in '98, and then we lived all over the country. We selected Florida to retire to, and we just loved the St. Petersburg area.
Well, tell you what, gang, Dennis Hughes of Florida, grand prize winner, the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. Let's give him a round of applause. And a round of applause to Napa Auto Parts, our special partner in the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. Let's give Napa a round of applause. And Dennis Hughes, grand prize winner of the Ultimate Toolkit Dream Giveaway. Real prizes, real people. It all happens at dreamgiveaway.com. Will you be the next big winner? We'll see you there.